What a course, huh?
3 days of a lot of information. Fantastic course. One of the best courses I've attended by far.
Yeah, great hands-on.
But for me, it's like a whole new world that's opened. I see Ricardo as the god of dentistry. He's on an extreme high level, but you never feel like you cannot ask him questions or have a conversation with him. He's a very humble guy.
It's been amazing. Learning about the whole white and pink tissues and how it relates to the patient's profile is really eye-opening for me, really.
It lifts the whole art of implant surgery to another level, actually.
Ricardo is an incredible teacher because he's passionate, he believes in what he's doing, and he's really focusing on long-term results for patients.
You receive lessons that you can take over and apply immediately.
Ricardo is one of the best clinicians I've ever seen regarding soft tissue handling.
The best thing with the course is that you see the new world of dentistry, things you didn't even know could be possible. It broadens your perspective of possibilities.
This is the guy I want to learn from. I mean, I'm a periodontist, so I'm trying to now learn the whole gamut of the techniques that are involved. So it's been good, it's been really good.
Can't wait to implement some of the tricks he's shown us, and he's made a very difficult subject seem approachable, seem achievable, and that's what I like from courses.
It's a very well laid out course. It's very systematic.
It's been a hands-on component, and that's been really, really great too. Being able to implement what we're seeing on the pictures right there while it's still fresh in our minds.
He's talented, he thinks about things much more biologically, whereas most of us are just, we've been taught something at university and we're much more mechanical about doing things. He's thinking about the site and what he wants to achieve.
I like him as a speaker. He's thorough, and if you want to ask him anything, he takes his time and really makes you understand his message.
Yeah, his approach was very methodical, extremely well structured.
It's been a really enlightening course. I've learnt huge amounts.
If he was to do another course, I'd definitely go back and watch him, because there's still so much more to learn from this man.
I would recommend this course without hesitation or reservation. If this is the kind of dentistry you want to do, this is a great place to learn it. You really should come out and see Ricardo wherever you can.
Thanks, Ripe.